Hi everyone! We're going to talk about weighing the aircraft, an important procedure in aircraft maintenance that helps determine the total weight and balance of an aircraft. Proper weighing ensures safety, stability, and good flight performance. One common tool used in aircraft weighing is the platform scale. It is basically a large, flat scale placed under each wheel of the aircraft. It measures the weight supported by each wheel, and then we add them up for the total weight. It is easy to use accurately and perfect for smaller aircraft. Another type is the load cell scale. This one uses electronic sensors that converts weight into an electrical signal. It is more modern and gives digital readings. Load cell scales are more precise, but they are also more expensive and need regular calibration. Before weighing, we use aircraft jacks to lift the plane safely off the ground, especially if we're using weighing cells under the landing gear. And we also use chokes or chocks, those wedge-shaped blocks placed in front of behind the wheels to prevent the aircraft from rolling. Prevent the aircraft or both tools help keeps the aircraft steady during the weighing process. Before weighing, it is important to follow safety procedures. Make sure the aircraft is clean, empty of unnecessary items, fuel is set to the required level, and all jacks and scale are positioned correctly. Everyone involved should wear safety gear and communicate clear during the process. After weighing, we calculate the center of the gravity or the CG using the weight readings and their distance from their reference point. The CG tells us if the aircraft's weight is balanced properly. It is too far, or if it is too far forward or backward, it can affect how the aircraft flies. That's why this step is so important. And for the conclusion, to wrap up, weighing the aircraft is more than just checking its weight. It is about making sure the aircraft is safe and stable for flight. By using the right tools and following proper procedures, we help ensure safe operations every time an aircraft takes off. Thank you.